The largest state in the U.S.? Here are 5 facts about Alaska. The last frontier. Alaska is by far the largest U.S. state in terms of land area. Alaska is larger than every country in Europe outside of Russia. The state is larger than California, Texas, and Montana combined. At almost 34,000 miles, Alaska contains more than half of the U.S.'s coastline. The Aleutian Islands form a 1,200-mile-long arc from the southwestern tip of Alaska toward Russia, extending into the eastern hemisphere. The nearly 300 seismically active islands of the Aleutian chain contain 40 of Alaska's 130 volcanoes, many of them active. Mount Shishaldin is one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Adak Island, part of the Aleutian chain, was the site of a U.S. Navy base established during World War II. The base closed in 1997, leaving behind abandoned houses, empty schools, and rusting vehicles. The island is slated for several transformative projects, utilizing much of the existing infrastructure. The U.S. purchased Alaska from Russia for $7.2 million, roughly 2 cents per acre. Russia found Alaska too remote, hard to defend, and unprofitable from a declining fur trade in the 1800s. Alaska was officially transferred to the U.S. on October 18, 1867. Alaska's growing importance to the U.S. during World War II, as well as the discovery of oil and other natural resources during the 1940s and 1950s, strengthened the case for Alaskan statehood. After a large statehood movement in the mid-1950s, Alaska officially became the 49th state on January 3, 1959. Juneau, Alaska's capital city, is not accessible by road, only boat or plane. Wedged between the Coast Mountains and the Gastineau Channel, the rugged geography makes road construction very difficult and costly. Other barriers to establishing a road network include environmental concerns, avalanche risk, and resistance from locals who prefer Juneau's isolated nature. Alaska is home to 17 of the 20 tallest mountains in the U.S., including Denali, the highest mountain peak in the country. The state has over 100,000 glaciers and 3 million lakes, by far the most in the U.S. Want more facts about former Russian colonies? Subscribe to GeoFacts now.